It is now in the hands of a jury. 4 years after the murder of Deputy James McGrane Jr., a jury now gets to decide if Michael Astorga pulled the trigger. Here's News 13's Maria Medina.
And Kim, closing arguments just wrapped up in the Michael Astorga trial. After more than 2 weeks of intense testimony, prosecutors started off the day.
Why would he lie about his name? Why would he flee to Mexico? Because he did this.
Assistant District Attorney Troy Davis told jurors that all they had to prove beyond a reasonable doubt was that Astorga killed Deputy McGrane. The prosecutor pointed out that Astorga's license plate was the last one McGrane called into dispatch during a traffic stop into Harris just minutes before he was murdered. Davis then reminded jurors that statements Astorga's alibi witnesses gave to police were lies or were inconsistent with their testimony on the stand, and that they were all trying to cover for Astorga. Prosecutors say the reason why Astorga killed Deputy McGrane is because he had a warrant out for his arrest for another murder. Davis questioned Astorga that if he was innocent, then why did he use an alias in the months before McGrane's murder, then afterwards flee to Mexico?
There's only one person who has motive to lie, and that's the defendant to lie. And really, the only reason he would lie to you is because he killed Deputy McGrane. And that's what he did. He killed him. And he fled. And he got caught.
And ask yourself, when we start talking about burden of proof and the burden being on the government in this case, did they bring a single solitary witness who saw Michael into Harris Canyon at 12:44 a.m.? They did not.
And during his closing argument, Astorga's attorney Gary Mitchell repeatedly told jurors there is absolutely no evidence placing Astorga into Harris at the time Deputy McGrane was murdered. Kim?
Okay, thanks, Maria. Now, if found guilty, Astorga could be sentenced to death. Another jury would be selected to decide his punishment.